Congratulations, you just placed your order for a Model Y, or you just took delivery of your Model Y, or any Tesla for that matter. So what do you do now? Let's find out. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the things you should do right after you have placed an order for your Tesla, or you have just taken delivery of your Tesla. Now, if you've already had your Tesla for a while now, stick around, because there might have been a couple of things you may have missed. I'm going to be sharing the top 10 things to do right after you order your Tesla, or right after you have taken delivery of your Tesla. This won't be the same old boring videos where they tell you to shop around for insurance and loans and all that. There are plenty of videos about that on YouTube. Rather, I'll be focusing and emphasizing on the top 10 things that you've never had to do before, or probably even think of if you've never bought a Tesla before. This may seem like a no-brainer, but you'd actually be surprised. A lot of people, including me, wait until the last minute. When it was time for me to take delivery of my Model Y, I already knew that the mobile connector it comes with that plugs into the regular 120-volt outlet would be too slow for my needs. The charging rate for the 120-volt mobile connector is about 3 to 4 miles per hour for the Model Y. This could be perfectly fine for you if your daily commute is practical and you don't really drive that much, or you don't mind the time it takes for it to charge. Many people opt for the 240-volt NEMA 1450 outlet to get installed. This increases the charging rate of the Model Y to around 33 miles of range per hour charged. The price to get this installed varies based on your location. The total cost for this to be installed is fairly reasonable if your breaker box is near your garage. The total cost ultimately depends on where you live and how much an electrician would charge you to run the wiring from your breaker box. The next option is to have a high-powered Tesla wall connector installed. You would need to get a dedicated high-amperage circuit in your home's main circuit box installed. Then you would wire the wall connector directly into the dedicated line instead of using an outlet plug. My reasoning for getting this installed was because it gives you the best home charging experience because it provides you with the most convenience and the fastest charging speeds. This ultimately charges the Model Y at 44 miles of range per hour charged. The Tesla wall connector is $500 from Tesla on top of what an electrician would quote you to get it installed. If you're trading in your old vehicle to Tesla, you may want to rethink that. Tesla typically offers lower than its competitors for trade-ins. Tesla's no-hassle offer policy leaves no room for you to ask for a better deal. It's unfortunately a non-negotiable take-it-or-leave-it offer. Tesla will accept most gas-powered or electric vehicles for trade-ins. The car you're trading in must be in operating condition and have a clean title. Just like most places, non-Tesla vehicles will be sold at a wholesale auction. Tesla resells the used Teslas through the used car program, and only one trade-in vehicle is accepted for each Tesla purchase. Shop around and see what other offers you could get for selling your old car to either companies like Carvana, Vroom, and CarMax, or just listing it for sale by yourself. The market for used Teslas is currently so strong that most Teslas can be sold for far above Tesla's trade-in quote. Used car prices have been crazy lately, and you may just walk away with more money in your pocket than what the Tesla trade-in has offered you if you just shop around. Another thing that will be new for you is to have a strong Wi-Fi signal wherever you park your Tesla. For your previous vehicles, you probably did not have to think about this since they did not receive any free over-the-air software updates. Over-the-air software updates introduce new features and updates to your Tesla. This makes your car safer and more capable of new features over time. Teslas regularly receive over-the-air software updates that add new features and enhance existing ones over Wi-Fi. You can check for new software updates by opening the Software tab on your touchscreen. And if a new update is available, you'll receive a notification on your center touchscreen display with the option to install it immediately or schedule it for later. Software updates are among one of the many benefits that Tesla vehicle owners can enjoy. A Tesla is already a great car when it rolls out of the factory, but it keeps getting better with each over-the-air update that arrives. In fact, Tesla continues to operate at a remarkably quick pace when it comes to upgrades and releasing smaller changes frequently. These updates can make driving the car safer and improve performance, handling, and tech capabilities. Tesla has shipped these over-the-air updates for its cars for years now and have changed everything from its autopilot driver assistance system to the layout and to the look of the touchscreen interfaces. At one point in 2017, it even used an update to extend the range of some cars to help customers evacuate the path of Hurricane Irma. The over-the-air updates are a fantastic feature of Teslas. You already know that all new Teslas come with a thumb drive for Sentry Mode. This will work for Sentry Mode and Dashcam, but thumb drives fall short of rapid write speeds that Sentry Mode and Dashcam requires out of them for optimal performance. This is why many Tesla owners opt to find the best SSD for Sentry Mode instead of going with a USB thumb drive that it comes with. Apart from writing speed, a portable SSD also has more durability than an average USB drive. It's due to the structure of the hardware, which provides the model with more reliable data storage capabilities than a USB drive or a traditional hard disk drive for that matter. I have linked a few of the SSDs I recommend for Sentry Mode in the description below. Another thing you should do when you get your Tesla is to install the accessories. I went ahead and purchased mud flaps, a screen protector, and all-weather floor mats for my Model Y. I also installed the hood and front bumper paint protection film. There are tons of other accessories that you can purchase for your Tesla. These include a center console organizer, a rear paint protection film that prevents rocks from scratching on the paint, a roof rack, and trunk storage bins, just to name a few. You can find all of these accessories linked below in the description for your convenience. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please drop a like and subscribe. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers and I'm really close to achieving it. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all future videos. Inspect your Tesla on delivery day. The panel gap and paint issues have been a problem for a while now, but they are getting much better as time passes. However, a good practice is for owners to continue to look over their new cars on delivery day, especially when buying such an expensive car. Delivery day can be an overwhelming experience, from the excitement of finally getting your Tesla to the rush of wanting to get it out on the road and experience that infamous Tesla acceleration. With so many thoughts going through your head, it's easy to forget simple things to look out for, like checking to make sure the included chargers in your trunk, or just things that will stick out. Tesla gives you a 72-hour or 100-mile window, whichever comes first, to report any problems you have after taking delivery. But in my experience, they have been more than helpful in accommodating the few problems I had with my car after taking delivery, even though it was outside this window. I made a video about that, and it's linked at the top right of your screen and in the description below if you're interested. I have also linked below some delivery day checklists that you can look at and have on delivery day to ensure your delivery goes as smooth as possible. The next thing that your previous cars did not have is driver profiles. The level of detail that you can go in for your driver profiles on a Tesla is insane. If driver profiles weren't a thing and another person were to drive my Model Y, it would result in all of the settings I have set to be altered, and that would be a headache and a half to get back to where it was. To get started with driver profiles, you want to click on your name at the top of the center screen. The first settings that you can adjust are the side mirrors and steering wheel. When you move your seat up and down or back and forward, this can also be saved to the driver profile. The driver settings can also be saved for your autopilot preferences, car distance ahead of you, how you like your acceleration, and how you like your steering wheel feel. You can also add more driver setting profiles for other people so they won't mess up your driver settings that you have set. Also, set up easy entry for your Tesla. The easy entry profile moves the seat back and the steering wheel up for an easier entry and exit. When you create a driver profile, there is a checkbox to add the easy entry to your driver profile. Then, when you sit in your seat and fasten your seatbelt, it will automatically move to your driver profile. Electric car batteries should not generally be charged to 100%. Long term, this reduces the battery's longevity. But if you're pressed for range, should you change this and charge up to 100%? Well, unless you absolutely must squeeze every bit of range out of your battery, the answer is still kind of no. Lithium-ion batteries pretty much get put under a lot of stress and potentially damaged when they spend a lot of time in very high and very low ends of the charging spectrum, like 10% and below and 90% and above. Tesla also recommends staying above 20% if you can. You're probably thinking this is too much of a hassle and that you need every bit of range. But if you think about it, if you charge your Tesla when you get home from work or school every day and set the limit to 80%, you don't have to charge it weekly like filling up a gas car every week. Every day when you get up, you have a full charge to go about your day. Get familiar with the Tesla UI and where everything is. You're more than likely coming with a car with tons of buttons, switches, and dials. The only buttons on the Model Y are to roll down your window and to toggle the hazards. Owning a Tesla puts the driver at the forefront of innovation, specifically with the ability to control the entire car with simply a touch on the center screen. Once you're used to the center screen and how it controls everything, you will soon realize that you actually did not need all of those buttons, switches, and dials that your old car had. Tesla makes everything so seamless and literally makes everything easier for you. And last but not least, you will get a custom referral code when you purchase a Tesla. This is yet again another thing you will learn after taking delivery of your Tesla, since no other car manufacturers have this sort of incentive program. When you share your referral code, you and anyone using your referral link will each earn 1,000 miles of free supercharging with the purchase of a new Tesla car. Also, anyone using your referral link will earn you a $100 reward after activation of their new solar energy system or solar roof. This also reduces the reliance on the grid system, and they will produce clean solar energy. You will earn a $400 reward for each solar referral. On top of that, you will earn 1 Powerwall when you refer 10 solar customers. If you're in the market to purchase a Tesla, use my referral link in the description to get 1,000 free supercharging miles. That is it for today's video. Comment any suggestions you have or things I may have missed. Be sure to like this video and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all future videos. I am also interested in your feedback for this video as well, since it will be helpful for any Tesla owners or soon-to-be Tesla owners. Your support means a lot to me.